my subscribers. Today I am going to be doing a survival series with two amazing people named CCOG and Miketsu. They both have YouTube channels. The first one is Miketsu Gaming, and the other one is Cotton Candy Rainbow Gamer. Did I say it right? Did I do it right? Yay! I finally remembered how to say it. I didn't know it was the I until I had to look up your username so many times in different ways with the I, and so I found it and then I forgot how to say it. But who cares now? We did it. Okay, I unplugged my headphones so everyone can hear y'all guys. Cause the other video you can hear Miketsu, but you cannot hear us. But wait, okay. Well, we're supposed to become YouTubers as different genders, which like Miketsu did, but we didn't do that because we're that dumb. She's Blaze. You're pretty much Blaze. I don't have a skin yet. I have Dante, but not as a female. I have multiple skins here, but I'm gonna be my Halloween skin. But I'm gonna find my my other skins soon. I'm not telling y'all what mods we have. You already might know.
Okay, I'm gonna start recording.
Okay.
I'm gonna make all the
Wait, I have to. Okay. No, that's the wrong button. Okay, where did you guys go? Okay, you're right there. Okay.
Wait, are you gonna record that?
What? I already started recording. I already started recording. We're already at 2 minutes in the recording.
Okay, we're all recording, so
Yeah.
everybody, I'll make some channels in the description if I can find Patrick's channel.
My YouTube channel is actually now called The Cookie Girls 2, because when me and my friend Chloe were younger, we liked watching this one YouTuber named Cookie Girls C, and so we wanted to make a YouTube channel. But still at the beginning a little bit. I want to make a house, guys. I know how to make a really pretty house, but I have to be by water, like a huge ocean of water, so I can make my house.
Hi, Oreo. You cannot sniff my headphones, my beautiful headphones, please. No, you guys throw them overboard. Get in. Oh, by the way, comment down below if you want to see skits of my beautiful kitten.
Oh my god, I would love to see skits, so I'm gonna comment that below.
Wait, one time, okay, so we had like a pointer. The cat, Oreo literally jumped and
I'm by
like morning, and he was like, but landed on his feet, and before he landed on his feet, he did backflip.
Backflip.
But my cat
It's talented.
funny.
It's a talented cat. It's a talented cat. You know how? Because it knows how to backflip. The backflipping cat. A backflipping regular cat. I don't know where you guys went. I can only see CCRG or Cotton Candy Gamer. Rainbow Gamer. Keep on forgetting to say rainbow. Guys, where should I make my house? In the middle of the ocean, of this lake, or like over here to the corner? I like over here. It's beautiful. Cece, I'll show you how I make my house. Cause it's like a triangle against water. Then you can see it.
Okay. Oh, I see someone. Oh, see.
Guys, I need like 100 blocks.
Yeah,
Guys, you guys have to help me build the house because it's a really pretty house and I want us to live in it.
Are we gonna do things off camera?
Maybe, like we'll probably go mining off camera or something. Cause me and Miketsu did something off camera in our first episode of our survival series, which you guys can come check out on his channel and mine. Guys, I need like 4 stacks of oak wood, and then almost the same amount of stacks, like 1 stack of birch wood to make the house. I literally made it in dark oak, but there's no dark oak bias. And spruce, but there's no dark oak bias again. So can someone get oak with me, and then someone else get birch? Well, half of us get oak. Okay, we should make a place that has a little thing. Sorry. My brother starts singing it, and then I start singing it. Okay, I think...
This is the first pig I saw.
Nico's still in the room, I mean. At the...
A pig. No.
I should say.
Oh yeah,
Temptation.
the first pig I see. Wait, which one was it? I think it was you. It was you.
One hit,
No.
but for me,
No.
bad for me, what's it? Bad for me, but I believe it. No, thank you.
I need a lunch food now. Okay, you're good.
But I'm weak. And what's wrong with it? Guys, I found a huge tree that has lots of wood.
No, Ruben!
Why do you guys, every time you see a pig, you call it Ruben? Is it because of Minecraft Story Mode?
In memory of Ruben!
In memory of Ruben, I know. But I don't have Minecraft Story Mode in Season 2 yet.
Don't spoil it. No spoiling.
Yeah, don't spoil Season 2 for us because we don't have it yet. Pretty much, this Stacy Plays already. Pretty much, Stacy Plays already spoiled the whole game for me, so I don't really talk about it because my brother.
We're gonna keep falling in this, aren't we? Do you guys know what just happened?
No.
You're laughing. I opened my crackers more, and they just spilled out.
Guys, I have like 3. Oh, I almost have 3 stacks of oak. Can you guys please help get oak and birch? I was drinking soda earlier, so I had a burp. But can you guys help me build my house? Because my house is pretty big and I want to make it because it's a really cool house. My Ketsy already knows what it looks like because of my first episode of my series that we made. We don't have
Do you
a
think
name
it would
for
be
it.
fair to make our houses in creative but put nothing inside?
Yeah.
What?
Well, I did. I said yeah. I said yeah.
Put your answer in chat.
I think my camera just saw that. Or not camera. I mean my screen just saw that. I say yeah. We should make our houses in creative mode because like because there's no dark oak by me and I need dark oak to make my house or it won't look good like my one in the other series.
Just like raw dirt.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna keep this oak wood just in case.
Okay, where's my crafting table at? Because I don't really want to cheat just.
Okay. So this is where I want to build my house, peeps. Okay, wait. I'm gonna pause the video real quick. I'll just edit the video and cut this scene out.
All of my stuff.
Cause I think I'm pretty bad at editing videos. he really cares right now, because just because I suck at editing videos, I can still clip out stuff. So like there's this one video that I made that I didn't post, but I still clipped out a part in it. That was called bloopers number 2 on my YouTube channel. And I edited a clip out because my friend's brother came into the room and he ruined the recording, so I had to call it bloopers. And I kept on messing up on my intro too, so I had to also call it bloopers because of that. So pretty much everywhere I did, it was pretty much bloopers. It sounds like my baby brother just said exactly.
I thought you were a man, not a lady. It was a girl.
But I give in so easily. No, thank you. You guys should make a bridge to my house so you guys won't have to go all the way around the forest to get to my house. And then my doorway would just be right there.
Like pretty close together.
So we should just like put okay, so this is what we should do for the series. We should do like one bridge across from here to over here and like clear out this area where this birch tree is. I'll just do that right now.
I'm training you.
I am totally not using a green tactic for this.
Yeah.
I am totally not using a green tactic for this.
What are you guys? I don't even know where you guys are. I'm just in a different area than you.
We're close to you, so
I'm looking around. Oh yeah, I see you. No, I see Miketsu. I don't see you. Wait, never mind, I see you. Okay. Well, my whole body's glowing because of my torch. And other torch.
Oh my god, stop doing that. Stop airing our computers, girl. Please. I want to keep on teaching you so then you don't have to do that.
I have to put torches around my house so it won't be that dark.
Oh god, I cannot train you because it costs too much money. I'm not training you, sorry. I'll train you later because I don't have enough money to do that.
I have to put wooden blocks and lay the ground.
I didn't know he earns me money. Yes, yeah, okay, I'll train you. Okay, there, you just got trained. Oh my god, I have to pay for everyone. Stop bugging my computer, yo. Stop bugging my computer. I'm gonna have to fire you if you keep on doing that. Oh, my chair.
Well, it's not your computer.
Daddy, this is my, what is this place called? This is my business. Daddy, I get to do what I want to do.
Bada boom, bada bing. Bada bing.
Why do I have to pay everybody? I'm trying to earn money so I can buy someone else to hire. Now stop bugging my computers.
Aww, I know what my family's watching and it's so sweet. They're watching Brave.
I had to pay someone. Oh my god, no. Bad for me. Bad for me. One drink. Bad for me. I don't care. Okay, people. You are done with Now, you better not upgrade my, break my computer. I'm serious, y'all.